Would you like to make a pretty ballerina walk on a tightrope? It's easy. Fix 2 cycle spokes on a piece of wood and stretch a piece of string tightly between them. Now cut a doll from a stiff card sheet and cut out V notches on its feet. Make an arch from a stiff card and staple the doll at its center. Then separate the legs of the doll. They should be a little apart. Now stick magnets to both arms of the arch. The North Pole sticks to the South Pole. The nice thing about magnets is that you can move them up and down and change the balance. Now gently place the doll on the stretched string. The ballerina is balanced and sways gracefully. Actually, you can even make her dance on a cycle spoke.